Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you that how you can exchange rev points for money on Revolut. So basically, to clearly demonstrate, you can see we have this overview about this question. So if you head over to your Revolut app and you have your rev points, then they are going to be officially be converted into their money and straight away balance. So because if you simply head over to their helps center, you can see over here, you can see in this section they say that if you go to rev points and you can transfer them, then apparently they are going to be converted into money. So this is straight away really simple. If you have 200 points, 100 from spare change, 100 from actions, then you can see convert them into related credit. And yeah, so that's how easy it is. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it makes sense, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.